Hello once again. Today we are going to look at how to access reading material from the course unit you enrolled into. So from the course unit, we want to see how you can download, how you can view your reading materials. Yes, so let's start off. So for starters, we click on the course unit we have enrolled into. Like I said, this was teleconferencing technologies we enrolled into. So I'll click on it to open it. So for you to read the material, you're seeing, because these are Word documents, there's Word document, there's a PowerPoint presentation, there are PDFs. So for you to read these materials, you're supposed to have Office installed on your computer, or WPS on your Android phones. Yes, any document reading application. So for computers, we have Microsoft Office. For Android, we have WPS or other applications you can download from Play Store. So let's go to reading materials. You just simply, you're seeing this, it comes here, you look at the icon, you click on the icon. Yes, you come like here, you click on where the icon is. I'll say like I want to read this material or download it. I simply click there. For Google Chrome, it will, after clicking, it will download. For Firefox, it will ask if you want to open or save. You can either do that, but for Chrome, it downloads directly to your computer, and you simply, seeing here, it has come here to the corner of my desktop, and I simply click and open that PowerPoint presentation. That's how I get my reading materials of. That's how I get reading materials of VLE. Thanks for listening.